How to find the joy of not having your stuff together. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, the art of finding joy in the chaos of life when it feels like we don't have everything together. The purpose of this video is to explore how embracing our imperfections can lead to personal growth and a more fulfilling life. We'll take a humorous approach, because let's face it, life can be a wild ride, and sometimes laughter is the best medicine for our messy moments. In a world that often pressures us to present a polished image, it's essential to recognize that nobody has it all figured out. We'll share relatable stories and experiences that highlight the beauty of our flaws and the lessons they teach us. By embracing our imperfections, we open ourselves up to new opportunities for growth and connection with others who are navigating similar challenges. Expect to hear some funny anecdotes and insights that will resonate with you, reminding you that it's perfectly okay to not have everything in order. Whether it's a kitchen disaster or a work-related mishap, we'll celebrate the little moments that make life wonderfully unpredictable. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's find joy in the chaos together. Embracing imperfections, the beauty of flaws and personal growth. Let's talk about the beauty of imperfections and how they play a crucial role in our personal growth. Life is full of everyday chaos, and sometimes it's the little mishaps that bring the biggest laughs. For instance, have you ever tried to bake a cake only to realize you forgot the sugar? The result might be a flat, flavorless disaster, but it's those moments that often lead to the best stories. We can all relate to the hilarity of our attempts to juggle responsibilities, only to end up with a coffee spill on our favorite shirt, or a Zoom call where we accidentally forget to mute ourselves. These imperfections are not just funny anecdotes, they are part of our unique journeys. Each flaw and mistake adds character to our lives, shaping who we are and how we grow. When we accept our quirks and shortcomings, we free ourselves from the suffocating grip of perfectionism. Imagine the relief of letting go of the need to have everything just right. Embracing our flaws allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, fostering genuine relationships built on authenticity. So let's celebrate the chaos and the imperfections that make us human. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about enjoying the ride and learning from every stumble along the way. Embrace your journey, flaws and all. Finding humor in chaos, the power of laughter in life's unpredictability. Life can often feel like a roller coaster ride, filled with unexpected twists and turns. One of the best ways to cope with this unpredictability is through humor. Think about those moments when you're running late and you spill coffee all over yourself just as you step out the door. Instead of letting frustration take over, why not laugh at the absurdity of it all? We've all been there, whether it's a wardrobe malfunction during an important meeting or a cooking disaster that leaves the smoke alarm blaring. These chaotic situations are universal, and they remind us that we're not alone in our struggles. Encouraging viewers to laugh at their own misadventures can be incredibly liberating. When we can find humor in our mistakes, we shift our perspective on challenges. Instead of viewing them as setbacks, we start to see them as funny stories to share with friends. Remember that time you tried to impress someone with your culinary skills, only to serve a meal that looked like it came straight from a horror movie? Those moments become cherished memories that bring us closer to others. Humor acts as a powerful coping mechanism, allowing us to navigate life's chaos with a lighter heart. It helps us to not take ourselves too seriously and reminds us that laughter can be the best remedy for stress. So the next time life throws you a curveball, embrace the chaos and find the humor in it. The power of community, connecting through shared struggles. In our journey towards self-acceptance, one of the most powerful tools we have is community. Connecting with others who share similar struggles can be incredibly validating and uplifting. It's a reminder that we're not alone in our chaotic lives. We all have our moments of imperfection, and when we come together to share those experiences, we create a space where everyone feels understood and accepted. We encourage you to share your own stories of chaos and imperfection in the comments below. Whether it's a funny mishap at work or a parenting fail that left you in stitches, Your story could resonate with someone else who's going through a similar experience. These shared moments foster a sense of belonging and remind us that we're all navigating the ups and downs of life together. Relatable communities and friendships provide invaluable support. They offer a safe haven where we can express our vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. When we connect with others who understand our struggles, we find comfort in knowing that we're not alone. It's in these connections that we can laugh, cry, and grow together. So let's celebrate the power of community. Embrace the imperfections and chaos that come with life, and remember that there's strength in sharing our journeys. Together, we can create a supportive environment where everyone feels empowered to accept themselves, flaws and all. You are not alone in this journey, and together we can find joy in the chaos. Practical tips for embracing chaos: finding joy in imperfection. Embracing the chaos of life can be a transformative experience, and there are practical steps you can take to cultivate a positive mindset amidst the unpredictability. First, start each day with a simple practice of gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on 3 things you're thankful for, no matter how small. This can shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right, helping you appreciate the little joys that often get overlooked. Next, celebrate your small victories. Did you finally tackle that mountain of laundry or manage to cook a meal without burning it? Acknowledge these achievements, no matter how minor they may seem. Recognizing your progress can boost your confidence and motivate you to keep moving forward, even when life feels chaotic. Lastly, prioritize self-compassion over self-criticism. It's easy to be hard on ourselves when things don't go as planned, but remember that everyone makes mistakes. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. When you stumble, remind yourself that it's part of the journey and an opportunity for growth. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you can find joy in your imperfect life. Embrace the chaos, celebrate your progress, and be gentle with yourself. Life may not always be perfect, but with the right mindset, you can discover beauty and happiness in the messiness of it all. Embracing imperfections and finding joy in chaos. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've explored. Embracing imperfections is essential for personal growth and happiness. Life is inherently chaotic, and by finding humor in our misadventures, we can shift our perspectives and navigate challenges with a lighter heart. Connecting with others who share similar struggles creates a supportive community where we can celebrate our flaws and learn from one another. We've also shared practical tips for cultivating a positive mindset amidst the chaos, such as practicing gratitude, celebrating small victories, and prioritizing self-compassion. These strategies can help you find joy in your imperfect life and remind you that you're not alone on this journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it relatable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content that resonates with your experiences. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from a little encouragement in embracing their own chaos. We invite you to explore more relatable content on our channel, where we dive deeper into the beauty of imperfections and the joy of living authentically. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, life may be messy, but it's also filled with moments worth celebrating. See you in the next video.